Instead of throwing away your day-old rice, make this Chinese rice instead. And just so you know, the secret ingredient on how you can achieve the perfect Chinese rice is by using a day-old rice. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Bossy. Do not forget to subscribe. These are all the ingredients you need. This is your carrot, spring onions, and sweet corn. You'll be using your eggs. For my protein, I'm using the boned turkey. Mind you, they are fresh. Then our shrimps, our day-old rice, grated pepper, grated onion, sesame oil, soy sauce, cooking oil, ginger and garlic powder, seasoning cube, and salt. And these are all the ingredients you need. So in the pot, you're just going to add a little bit of oil and then add your egg to it. Then we're just going to fry our egg until it is scrambled. At this stage, our egg is ready, so we're just going to put it down and then keep it aside. After that, we're just going to add a little bit of oil and then add our shrimps to this. Then I'm just going to mix this together, and just so you know, the moment your shrimp turns pink, it is ready. You don't have to wait. Once your shrimp turns pink, your shrimps is ready. So we're just going to put it down and then set aside. Time for us to make the boned turkey. So in the pot, I'm just going to add my turkey to it and then add a little bit of seasoning and then a little bit of ginger and garlic powder, and then mix together and cook on a low heat. Mind you, you have to do this on a low heat so your turkey can get cooked and not get burnt. And this took between 3 to 5 minutes. My turkey is ready, so I'm just going to bring it down and then set aside. Time for us to start cooking. So I'm just going to add a little bit of sesame oil and then add my onion to it. Allow it to saute for a bit. Then add my grounded pepper. Then ginger and garlic powder. And then mix together on a low heat. You don't have to rush when you're making food. Then our seasoning cube. Mind you, the seasoning cube is a little bit hard. Then mix together again. Allow this to sit between 60 to 70 seconds. Then I added my deboned turkey. It's already cooked. Then my sweet corn and also my carrots. Then I'm going to mix together. So allow this to sit between another 60 to 70 seconds. Then I added my soy sauce. You just have to be careful with your soy sauce so your food doesn't turn out too sweet. After that, I added my rice. Then time for us to mix. So I mix this until it is well and properly combined. Then I'm just going to add my shrimps and also my eggs to this. And then mix together again. And then I'm just going to cover this and allow it to sit on a low heat between 60 to 90 seconds. After that, I'm just going to mix. Then we're just going to add our last ingredient, which is our spring onion. Then mix. Then cover and allow it to sit for another 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, this is what we have. All we have to do is just to serve. So this is what we have. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Watch our other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable recipe. Bye.小山蓝爱上了小龙蛋，带着许多。